Welcome to Northern California. The Bay Area is the cultural and economic hub for Northern California and revered for its natural beauty. The San Francisco Peninsula provides stunning scenery from the Pacific coastline to the Bay. The East Bay is an urban corridor comprised of several cities with thriving arts, entertainment, and culinary scenes. Home to some of California's top colleges and universities, it is a desirable place to be for those seeking higher education. Silicon Valley attracts top talent from across the world and is home to many iconic tech companies, including Apple, Netflix, Tesla, Google, and many more. With strong commerce in the Greater Bay Area, you'll benefit from a robust transportation system. Commuting options include the vast network of freeways, BART, Caltrain, and a fleet of ferries. Explore the North Bay and enjoy life with a bit less hustle. Home to the Napa Valley and Sonoma wine country, this area is great for foodies and wine enthusiasts. When you live in Northern California, there is a world of adventure nearby. Outdoor enthusiasts will enjoy weekend trips to explore the Yosemite Valley, Lake Tahoe, or the surrounding coastal beach towns. Now is the perfect time to find your personal connection to Northern California in a new DR Horton home. From value-packed affordable homes to upscale luxury living, we've got a home for every buyer. Let us help you find your ideal new home where you'll enjoy peace of mind. Call our online sales counselor at 877-995-7452 and start your home buying journey today.